Hi everyone, welcome to Budget Holiday Accommodation. Forget the apartment, we'll come back to that in a second, because this is the main attraction. This is actually the walk to the beach. Okay, I've sped it up a little bit, but here it is, the beach. Pereybere Beach. Epic. And this is one of the rooms. And it's budget. $20 a night per person. That the whole room actually this whole room, $40. The whole apartment. Because you've got a living area, you've got a TV, and you've got a kitchen with those things, with a fridge, microwave, gas.
Oven even.
And their pots and pans and everything.
Everything you need for your holiday. And the budget place even comes with soft closing doors. I know, we have a thing about soft closing doors. Massive fridge freezer, microwave. Wow guys, this bathroom is pretty cool for budget accommodation. Huge. Oh, blurry.
A massive shower area. Obviously a toilet, a beautiful basin. Riki wave. That's the bathroom there. And behind me is this cupboard. Oh, wow, it's like a proper wardrobe.
Wow.
With stacking bits and hanging bits. Nice touch. And of course a safe. All the rooms come with a safe. But this room has something special, and it's why it is in the $20 bracket. And it happens just outside there.
To avoid any confusion, the entire apartment is $40 a night.
Yeah.
$20 if you're sharing.
$20 if you're sharing. This is actually some outdoor furniture because you're going to need it when you come out here. Look at the size of this balcony. It's huge. And yes, I did notice, you can see the sea. That is how close the sea is. Right there.
This is amazing.
That blue thing is the sea.
Can we move?
I think so. That's the actual beach. That's Pereybere Beach. That's how close it is to this place.
Okay, so you can nicely see from this high vantage point, you've got lots of amenities around you. Diving centers, a guy selling fresh fruits, and just past there is quite a large Winners supermarket.
I did get a little bit excited straight off the bat when I came to this place. So you got nice chairs and you've got your TV, and it all comes hooked up with Wi-Fi. Very, very fast Mauritian style Wi-Fi. I think it's at 20 megs per second.
Oh, it's a big bed.
It is massive.
And there's so much space as well, which is really, really cool.
I nearly forgot because it's quite cool in here. But there's an air conditioner. Enough for the whole room. And another little thing you might have noticed, a clothes horse for drying clothes on your balcony.
Oh yeah, downstairs there's a place where you can actually do your washing and everything.
And there's almost no noise from outside.
It's quiet.
It really is.
Peaceful.
And without the lights on.
Oh yeah, dark. Oh, cool. Blackout curtains. There goes my camera changing it all, but it's actually quite nice and dark. So this is Penthouse budget living. Yes, $40 a night for the whole apartment. But we can show you even cheaper.
I forgot to mention, it's actually 90%, 99% renovated. They have to change a few things. But other than that, it's ready. It's going to be ready for October. So guys, get excited. This is ready for October.
Yeah.
And we're off.
Okay, so very cool. You get your access card, and the whole apartment block has its own private entrance. So you can come and go as you please.
Yes.
Awesome. And these are your stairs, because we're on the penthouse. So. And it's budget, so no lifts here. No you gotta walk down the stairs. But they're not so bad.
We're on the first floor, and this is the $15 apartment. This place. Because we did post on one of those shoestring travel that we're going to come check out this apartment. And everyone said, oh, $15, that's going to be really dodgy. Yeah. This is Mauritius, the island of Mauritius, where this price point would seem dodgy, and yet it has everything you need.
Yeah.
There's a bathroom around there, comfortable bed, balcony to sit out. Those are your outside chairs.
So you can do Mauritius quite comfortably on a budget.
I think you can. And when I say $15, I mean it's $30 for the whole apartment, but make sure there are 2 of you. But yes, and the kitchen is completely functional. And by functional, I mean it's got everything you need. So that you can actually self-cater. You got your fridge, you got your gas, and you got all those other
pots and pans and knives and forks and plates and everything.
And whatnots.
Okay, so here's your bathroom. Oh, full-length mirror on the door. So not quite as swish as the Penthouse one, but fully functional. Oh no, hang on. Wait. The shower is bigger than it looks. It goes around the corner. Cool, with a gas heater. Oh, that's plenty big.
For all those on the shoestring, does $30 get you a walk-in closet? Me walking in. Actually, it's actually not bad.
No, it's cool. So you got some furniture that you can put out onto your balcony, I suppose, if you want.
And there's
and
a
really
safe.
Massive sofa. You could probably sleep another person there. So this is your own outdoor balcony. There's restaurants and shops and all sorts. Just in walking distance. We'll show you quickly. I would holiday here.
Aircon in every one of the rooms. And there are a couple of rooms like this, but there's only one penthouse. This one is identical to the one we've just shown you, but it does have the extra.
So
place where you could,
not identical then.
no, okay. Shut up, bro. But it has the extra area there.
It's got a cool loft.
Not quite sure how you open the balcony.
Yeah, so particularly in this apartment, you pay the one apartment price and you can chuck the kids up there.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. Put 4 people in here. 2 on this awesome bed, 2 on the loft space, and now it's a $7 apartment. Well, $7.50.
Okay, so this downstairs area is busy being renovated. This is open to everybody and it's normally got like a kitchen and a little laundromat and a bit of a lounge and stuff. Awesome. Okay, so this is your main passageway that they are renovating. So they didn't want me to show this, but it looks pretty cool. And just at that door is the sea. Okay, so this is your entrance area. So you can come and go as you want, and then down that passage I showed you, and you have complete freedom. Now Brian's going to walk you to the beach.
Okay, so here we are on Hyperlapse. We're just going to take a quick stroll to the beach.
And yeah, would you believe that short trip and you're here? I mean, when we first got to Mauritius and we discovered this place, it's like, no, why doesn't everybody come on holiday in Mauritius? It's affordable and it's amazing. But people don't know about it. So now you know.
Apart from having this beautiful beach here, you also have a ton of street foods and loads of restaurants within 100 meters of that building or less. Tons of restaurants, tons of street foods, and of course the beautiful beaches. Now, that's not the only place. It genuinely isn't. Pereybere is full of hidden gems, just like that one, that are not advertised anywhere. So we're going to go find them for you.
Yeah, some of them literally take bookings by post.
Yeah.
Not email, post.
By actual post. If you're actually trying to find these apartments like the ones we just show you, it's almost impossible. They're not listed anywhere. We didn't even know until we came here. So we have found them for you guys. So you can just hit the link below. It will take you to the webpage where you can contact me and we'll sort it out for you. If you check below the video, you'll see a subscribe button. If it's red, it means you're not subscribed. If it's grey, it means you're all good.
Wow.
Asking for subs.
So bad at the tap out still. Right, so now you guys have no excuses. You can come to Mauritius. It's not very expensive. Well, you've seen the accommodation. We'll try to show you a bit of food and stuff at some point, like we haven't already, but you can see, not expensive. No excuses. When are we going to see you?
Well, everyone, with the perfect sea behind us, literally 100 meters from that apartment, I'm going to say, wow, and thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.